Let's make something delicious as always. Fried yam and egg. Let's do that. Peel and cut your yam into strips. I have started already. I have peeled and just want to show you this one. How this way. Just like this. Now I'm gonna wash it. Now I'm gonna add some salt, add some turmeric to give it that yellowish color. I want this yam to look good. When I mean good, I want it to look beautiful. Because I eat with my eyes first. Now it's time to fry. I'm gonna add some onions to flavor the oil. Look at that. As you can see, the color is beautiful. The color is beautiful. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just a tiny bit, like this, just to make it soft on the inside and crispy at the outside. Now the yam is ready. I'm gonna scoop it out. It's ready. I'm gonna scoop it out and fry my egg. Look at that. Now let's make the egg. Here I've got some chopped onions, tomatoes, some fish and meat left over from my freezer, from my fridge, not freezer. Now the egg. I have added salt already, so now I'm gonna add my chopped onions and the fresh tomato. I'm gonna add the fish and the small meat at this point. Add one seasoning cube like this. Some chili flakes. Now I'm going to add my egg. Lower the heat and allow it to gently cook. Now this is okay. I don't want it to be dry. I like my egg soft and juicy. I'm gonna dish it out for myself. This is me satisfying my cravings. Look at that. Ooh, enough onions. I love onions. If you don't like onions, this one is not for you. Done and dusted. Now let's eat.